What is the FTSE 100? The FTSE 100 is a stock market index made up of the 100 largest companies listed on the London Stock Exchange. An index is a way of measuring the performance of a group of companies by tracking how their stock prices change over time. So the FTSE 100 tracks the 100 largest companies on the London Stock Exchange and how their stock prices are moving. The companies in the FTSE 100 cover many different industries, from banking to technology to energy, and their stock prices are weighted based on their size. That means the bigger companies have a larger impact on the index. For example, if a huge company like Shell drops 5%, it could move the whole index down. But if a much smaller company drops the same amount, the index might barely change. Why does it matter? The FTSE 100 is important because it gives an overall snapshot of how the UK economy is doing. If the FTSE 100 is rising, it usually means that the big companies are doing well, which can suggest that the economy is healthy. If it's falling, it could be a sign of trouble. For investors, the FTSE 100 can be a key indicator. Many choose to invest in funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that track the FTSE 100, as it provides a way to spread risk across some of the biggest and most established companies in the UK. Even if you're not picking stocks yourself, the FTSE 100 can still affect you. If the companies in the FTSE 100 do well, it can create a ripple effect benefiting jobs, the economy, and consumer confidence. Here's a simple example. If you're the kind of person who is interested in investing in the stock market but doesn't know which companies to choose, instead of picking individual stocks, you could buy a fund that tracks the FTSE 100. That way you're automatically investing in the 100 biggest companies in the UK. If the FTSE 100 goes up, the value of your investment will likely increase, as the companies within the index are doing well. What else should you know? While the FTSE 100 includes the biggest companies, it's important to know that it doesn't capture all UK businesses. There are many successful smaller companies that are not in the index. The FTSE 100 is also not the only index to track the UK market. There are other indices like the FTSE 250, which includes the next 250 largest companies, and the FTSE All-Share, which tracks almost all companies listed on the London Stock Exchange. It's worth mentioning that the FTSE 100 is often seen as a reflection of larger, more stable companies, but it can still be influenced by global events like changes in interest rates or international trade. While the FTSE 100 mainly tracks UK companies, it can also be affected by global events, like changes in oil prices or international trade, which can impact large companies that do business worldwide. Also keep in mind that the FTSE 100 isn't a fixed list. If a company's stock price drops too much or another company becomes larger, companies can move in and out of the index. To sum it all up, the FTSE 100 is a stock market index of the 100 largest companies on the London Stock Exchange. It tracks how these companies are performing and gives an overall snapshot of the UK economy. Whether you're investing in individual stocks or funds that track the FTSE 100, it's an easy way to invest in the UK's largest businesses. Remember, the companies in the FTSE 100 can change over time, and global events can also influence how the index moves. Thanks for watching this video. Not sure where to go from here? You don't need another video, you need a plan. Grab the free 5-day series below and start investing with confidence. The link's right here on screen and in the description, don't miss out.